Alright, hey, here we go with another video from T2's Barbecue YouTube channel. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. So, now we're going to do a meatloaf. This is by request from a friend of ours, Julie. This is one of the versions of our meatloaf. So, you asked for it, here you go. So I'm starting with 5 pounds of ground chuck. We're just gonna put everybody into this big tote so that we'll have plenty of room to mix. Then I've got 1 large yellow onion that's been diced. We're gonna throw him in the pool. Then to that, this is a real simple seasoning on this meatloaf. I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of Tony's. Oh, bless Tony's heart. Woo! Montreal steak seasoning. So give him a good liberal shake there. Then granulated garlic. A little bit there. And then as our binder, we're going to use eggs. As a rule of thumb, 1 egg per pound of meat. And a lot of folks just use breadcrumbs or crackers. And my mom, she always used saltines, but I like to use seasoned croutons. I'm going to take these, put them into the Ninja, and turn them into a powder, and that's going to be our finishing binding agent. So let me get that done and I'll bring you back. We'll get it all mixed up and get it in the pans and ready to go. Alright guys, so we're through making all the noise. We got our crumbs done, and I did want to tell you that along with my seasoned croutons, I always throw in 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers. Mom always used saltines, so I kind of feel like it's got to have some kind of cracker in it, but I like Ritz better. So now that being said, another variation that you can do if you want, you can also put bell pepper in, and sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. And today I'm not going to. This one's just for Dana and I, and so we kind of decided, to heck with it. We're not going to worry about the bell pepper. So there's our 5 eggs. Let me get this out of our way. I'm going to wipe my paw. And start getting ready to do a little mixing here. As soon as I get through getting my butt kicked by this glove almost won. Let me get my crumbs from the Ninja. Just kind of dump him right in. tap. We'll get this out of our way. Alright, we got everybody in the pool. Alright, I'll get this mixed up and we'll bring you guys back and let you have a look as we're going into the pans. Alright, so we're going into our pan, and I'm just going to kind of work him down in here a bit. This one's going to, I know he's going to cook down some, but I want to try to get him pressed in. Alright, I can live with that one. Now we'll started with quite a bit of ground beef, so gonna overflow one pan, but we'll work it into another. So there we go. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna finish getting these spread into these pans, and then we'll gonna throw them into a 350-degree oven and bake for about an hour, and we'll check our internal temp. You always want to cook to a safe temp. I'm going to take these to about 165 degrees. So we'll show you, we'll bring them back, and I'll bring you guys back and show you what they look like when they come out. See you shortly. Alright guys, so we've got our meatloaf out of the oven. It's not the prettiest one I've ever done, but hey, I bet it's going to eat pretty good. So now I'm just going to hit it with my glaze. This is a simple glaze. It's just ketchup and honey, half and half with each. I'm just going to pour it over, let it run over, and then I'll put it back into the oven and let the glaze work its magic, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in just about 15 minutes. Alright, well, we got our meatloaf glazed and all nice and done. So now all I've got to do is make some mashed potatoes to go with it, a little bit of whole kernel corn, some rolls. We'll be in there for supper tonight. You guys let us know what you think. If there's anything you want to see, throw it in the comments. And as always, thank you for taking the time to spend with us, to watch our videos. We truly appreciate each and every one of you. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. So until next time, you guys take care.